I think it's safe to say the team has been crushing, figuratively and literally, things this week. So without further ado, let's jump in and take a look. We've got the guys are all set up here, getting things done. We've got ramps here, so it's easy to move things in and out and whatnot. Makes sense. We are back in the sunken living room, formal living room, whatever you want to call it. And you can see that we have already got most of the drywall down off the walls, still have some valences to destroy along the perimeter here, and still have the drywall on the ceiling to come down, but it all happens at good time. And given that it's only Wednesday and we started this stuff on Monday, not bad progress. Let's keep moving. In the kitchen, not a ton of stuff has happened in here as of yet. It is in a bit of a state of disarray, but not too much has happened yet, but there's a lot less stuff in here. Good to see the progress again, 3 days. Let's keep moving forward though. This room, we've got this door out of here. All of the baseboards have been removed. Nothing super special, it's just demo. This bathroom is in pretty rough shape. Pretty rough shape, not gonna be doing much in here. So on this particular home, what we can see here is this is what we call a drywall lath, and then there's plaster on top of it, and that's the finish. Removing this is super painful and super persnickety because the plaster just kind of explodes into nothingness, right? You gotta pull it all down. It weighs a ton because plaster is concrete. Anytime we're dealing with drywall, lath, and plaster, or just lath and plaster in general, we always know it's gonna be a bit of a party because it's a lot of work to pull this stuff down, and that's a lot of weight too. So that's drywall, lath, and plaster for you. Kind of cool though. So definitely a bit of divide and conquering going on at this site today. We've got guys working upstairs getting a bunch of, drywall, lath, and plaster down that we were just talking about there. And then down here, a lot of times when we're doing these large home renovations for people, what they do is just leave whatever stuff they don't want to keep, leave that behind, and we just throw it all in a bin for them. So that's what the team is working on right now, is going through and removing all of the stuff that these clients don't want anymore. And so what we try to do is go through everything and recycle what we can, right? Like you got electronic recycling, that'll have to get recycled. Metal will get recycled. Whatever we can do to reduce how much of this stuff goes to the landfill, we always do. But it's just part of what we do and the service that we offer for our clients. Well, that's a wrap on our walkthrough for today. We will be back in a week or two to check on the progress and show you way more of what's going on. If you want to see more of this kind of content and these kinds of things going on, learn more about construction, learn more about what goes on behind the scenes when you're renovating and building homes, please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you. It's free. And like this video as well, so we can share more of this very informative and amazing content with you. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you have a home that you'd like to renovate, or you've got a dream home that you're thinking about building, Sprucehill and our amazing team would love to work with you and help you out. So don't hesitate to reach out through the website or at the office, 604-971-4899. In the meantime, guys, thank you so very much for watching, and stay awesome. Bye now.